It was Christopher's favorite time of the year. A cool breeze drifted through homes, colorful leaves adorned pathways, and delicious pumpkins grew on the vines. La 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 la. Christopher ran happily on the cobbled pathway, enjoying the lovely weather. He saw the corn stalks in the field. They were dried up and cracking with a light brown color. It seemed they were on the verge of dying. He ran around the corn cobs that were left and saw that they were turning quite hard too. Mrs. Charles had just finished her daily chore of piling leaves. Christopher could not resist the temptation and hit the piled up leaves with his tail. Up they flew into the cool air like the feathers of birds. Christopher loved everything about winters, even the smell of the leaves. Oh, there they are finally, thought Christopher. Those big orange pumpkins lying on the ground, soft skins with vines around them. Yummy! They would taste great as pies with a dash of cinnamon. They would be the tastiest thing on earth! One pumpkin had been carved by Mrs. Charles. It lay on the ground with the white seeds and pumpkin waste next to it. Christopher walked around the sticky pumpkin waste and made his way into the carved pumpkin. It was nice and spacious inside the pumpkin. It was tempting to spend the night in there. Wow! Relaxing inside the pumpkin, Christopher looked at Raymond, the cat running around in the lawn. Christopher smiled to himself, thinking how silly the cat was. Raymond had run to a pumpkin patch and taken a lick at the pumpkin waste. Laughing, Christopher thought of playing a trick on Raymond. He thought of scaring the cat and started making sounds from inside the pumpkin like a ghost. Hoo, 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 said Christopher softly, trying to sound as eerie as he could. Raymond was startled. He looked around and his lovely soft fur pricked up in fear. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Raymond was now sure that there was something eerie about the pumpkin patch. There was a ghost lurking in there. Christopher was confident that he had scared Raymond. He said, "I am the pumpkin ghost. I'll eat cats like you for dinner. Wait till I get my hands on you." Ooh. Raymond pleaded, "Please do not eat me. Please don't." "I have an idea," said Raymond. "There's someone who will taste really good. Christopher the mouse. Catch him. He will taste really yummy." "But why should I eat a mouse when I like cats?" said Christopher. Now Raymond was truly afraid for his life. He could imagine the pumpkin gobbling him up. "What should I do?" he shivered. Raymond decided to run from there. He ran as fast as he could, while Christopher enjoyed his little prank of scaring him. He lay down in the pumpkin to relax and enjoy his soft, cozy seat. Mrs. Charles saw Raymond running into the house. Surprised at his swift pace, the tubby cat normally lazed around all day long, soaking up the sun. Raymond did not stop till he had reached the carpet.
"You look really tired,"
said Mrs. Charles, petting his white silky fur coat.
I'll go get the pumpkin. When I get back, I will get you some nice warm milk.
He went to the garden and picked up the pumpkin with Christopher sleeping soundly inside it.
Raymond, here is your milk.
Called out Mrs. Charles. Raymond walked gingerly to the kitchen and saw the pumpkin on the table. He lapped up the milk as fast as he could and went back to his cozy carpet.
Why is Raymond behaving so oddly?
Thought Mrs. Charles. In the meantime, Christopher woke up and looked outside. He realized he was in Mrs. Charles' house, and to his delight, he saw Raymond lying warm and comfortable near the fireplace. Oh, what a great day for fun, he giggled. When Mrs. Charles stepped out of the kitchen, he shouted, "Hoo, hoo, hoo." Raymond got up immediately on hearing the familiar, scary sound. "Hoo, hoo, hoo," howled Christopher again. "Did you think I would let go of a plump, chubby cat like you?" said Christopher. Raymond looked up and hissed loudly. "It's haunted! There's a ghost inside the house now!" "There's the haunted pumpkin!" shrieked Raymond. Christopher decided to scare him further by rocking the pumpkin and howling, "Hoo, hoo, hoo. Wait till I get you." Raymond could take it no longer. He was trembling with fear. He ran out of the door and did not come back inside the entire day. Christopher enjoyed his time in the house, nibbling on cheese and some delicious corn as the fire crackled to warm him up. Christopher had found a nice place for winners, and Raymond would surely cause no trouble. The end, and subscribe to see more of my videos. Ba, 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 wa, ba, wa, wa, ba, wa, wa, wa.